Sometimes you need to clean some stuff up in your yard, and sometimes there's things that get in the way of you having nice grass. Sometimes the old pruners, they just don't take care of the job. So today we're going to be doing some yard cleanup with the 62-volt green machine. That's right, battery operated chainsaw. And we'll see what we can put to test with our hedge trimmer too. I got to use these tools during the fall time to do some fall time cleanup as well. So I'll take you along with me, show you what these tools can do and how easy it can be to maintain your yard with them. And then I'll give you some thoughts. Now let's try this thing on corduroy. All right, so we've got the hedge trimmer here, and as you would expect, lots of safety features. First of all, this handle rotates, so you can pull this out right here down in the area where you'd have your fingers at. It's kind of like a release mechanism, and you can hold this at either 45, locked at 45 or 90 degrees. Works with all the other batteries, and we have two safety mechanisms. We have one safety mechanism here, and then we have the thumb safety right here. Not until I do 1 and 2 does this come on. And of course, we also have economy and sport mode. This is a 16-inch bar, quick adjust knob here so you can adjust the tension. You do have your standard safety here, so you push it out to engage the safety and then disengage the safety, you pull it back. We have a safety button that you must press here in order to pull the trigger. And once you do those two things, you're in business. You know, a regular chainsaw is a lot louder than this, so I've been happy that this is as quiet as it is. Other than that, this is really your typical, you know, chainsaw layout. Down here is where your battery slides in, and it is the same battery that runs the mower, the weed whacker, the hedge trimmer, all of their tools. So you can just go ahead and take this, slip it in, and you're good to go. No more mixing fuel with oil or having to keep fuel around the house. You can just keep these batteries and you're good to go. Also where you can put your lubrication fluid. So this thing's been pretty good to me so far. I've been happy with it. So this thing right here, the hedge trimmer, I think this is meant to handle even up to like 1/4-inch size branches, and it's doing a good job. That's pretty impressive. And you know, it's like 8, 9 o'clock in the morning here. So I can use these battery tools like this and it's not too loud to wake up my neighbors, which is always a plus. And you don't have to wear hearing protection with stuff like this. This thing is great. If this thing can handle all those branches out there, I know it's gonna give an awesome clean cut on some hedges too. So let's get a battery hooked up to the chainsaw, cut some of those suckers off that tree. Let's go see how this thing handles cutting down an entire tree. There she is, folks. She might be small, but I think she's strong. Timber! Let's talk about these tools. The Green Machine line right now has this chainsaw, hedge trimmer, a couple different string trimmers, I think 2 blowers, and 2 different lawn mowers. And the same batteries that are used in these pieces of equipment are compatible in all of those. The next thing most people worry about is battery life. Do these things have enough battery life to get the job done? And if you're a typical homeowner like me who's, you know, just doing some kind of weekend cleanup, if you aren't cutting down giant trees, obviously, these tools do the job. So if you're a guy or gal who's looking for a chainsaw or a hedge trimmer and you don't want to deal with the hassle of gas, 2-stroke, oil, all that stuff, these are some awesome options that you can pick up online at Home Depot. And I I already have reviews on their string trimmer, blower, and mower, so I'm going to put those together in a playlist and link those right here for you to go watch right now. See ya.